Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, and I have the UMX Ultrix. Last time I flew this, I flew it into a pole and the left motor got busted. I ordered a new one and I finally got around to replacing it. It's not that big of a deal. You just have to cut open this nacelle, which was taped in the front and glued in the back. And these are the wires. Just unplug it from the board. Has a tiny motor mount in there, and yeah, in removing that connector from the board, I also got the board loose, so I went crazy with the hot glue, so it stays put in there. But enough talking, let's get it in the air after I put that fin back. Okay, I'm safe. Let's go. Ooh. Yeah, it's been a while since I've flown this crazy little plane. I love it. Let's try some high alpha. There's a bit of wind, so it's actually just hovering there. Still unsafe. Got my little guy with his RC car. He prefers that to flying, for now at least. But yeah, it's whatever he wants. And this thing takes wind so well. It's not the case now, it's fairly calm. New motor's doing well. I don't know what happened to the old one, I didn't take it apart. They're so tiny, but it was pushed back, so I think, I don't know, maybe some kind of E-clip or something like that jumped out. It was a pretty tough impact. And these are pretty expensive motors. I think it was something like 20 euros. But oh well. I like it, so. Okay, let's take it out of safe a bit. And try and go crazy and not crash. Oop. Safe to the rescue. So easy to get disoriented with this. It rolls so fast. Okay, let's try again. Whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. A little bit of high alpha. That's how I usually crash it. I stall. Try and do high alpha. Pretty high now. So maybe at least I have some time to recover when it happens. Hang it back and safe. Let's bring it close. I like this spot for flying, except the trees and power lines. If it had some asphalt, it would have been great. But then I've probably been full of cars. And I have heard they plan on paving this road, because there's a lot of factories right behind me, and with a lot of people going in and out at the same time. And this flies so well. I think I need to get some more batteries for it. I had two. One doesn't hold voltage anymore. And this one, I don't know. It's just one. Anyway. I have some bigger ones. These are 500 milliamp 1S. I tried the UMX twin otter ones. Those I think are 800, but they're a bit heavy for this. I'd give them another try. And I got some even larger ones for the twin otter from Hobby King. Oh, 950. Woo! Twin otter likes them, but I don't think this one would. Oop. There it goes, it's pulsing. Lights are red. Woo, woo, woo. Emergency! Yeah, the UFO has landed. Yeah. Shrink 3.6, now 3.7 volts. Oh well. That was pretty fun. Glad I got it working again. Maybe I'll experiment with the other batteries sometime. So, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!